Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To begin with, the Australian dollar has staged a further rally overnight after rebounding from the firm base of 75.25.35 and reaches its objective of 76.20.35. It's now a question after rallying a full cent, whether we can still continue on. Given the merits that the US dollar has broken down, is that we could see an extension if we see a break of 35 up towards 76.80.90 and reassess from there. But the resistance is quite strong around that 76.35, so it might take a few bouts before we get the break. The question now is whether the US dollar can sustain any bullish recovery after plummeting last night from 94 figure to the support that comes in at 92.55.80 after printing a low of 93.10 overnight. We do need to see a turnaround in the next 24 hours, otherwise we will see further tests towards the upside. Tonight we have the ECB to publish the minutes of its latest policy sitting, and the market will be looking very closely to that. At this stage, I still feel that the market will foul towards that 118.50.70 level. But as I mentioned, we do need to see a turnaround in the dollar. Otherwise, if we get a break above this level, then it would look towards 119. Well, the bulls have failed to defend the support at 111.60. And now questions whether we can fall further from the break and look towards 109.50 to 55. At present, though, if we do get a close above 111.65.80 today, or by New York tomorrow morning, then we could see a further rally and a correction. But at this stage, it does look very concerning to the fact that we have broken down and could, from a technical point, continue. Well, the pound sustained above 133 from the break of overnight, but the question is now, will it continue? With the RSI pushing to the top side of the range, may find a cap around 133.5 and look back towards 132.60. It seemed from there that a break would give further scope to the downside. Failing to get that break though, then we will see a continuation to the upside and look towards the target of 134.10.15. Well, the gold story still shines as the market rallies on towards 94 this morning, and I do expect to see further towards 97.99. I am a buyer on dips, and I do expect to see any pullback towards 87 to find demand, or still leave room, because these pullbacks have been quite severe. So I do see a base now around 79.81, but overall I expect to see the market to claim the 1,300 level and eventually move up towards 1,310. Silver outlook still looks quite bullish at this stage, and I still look towards the 17.25 area. If we bring this down, you'll see that the market can easily claim that region, as the last 2 days of bull candles still look further to the upside. Any pullback on support now would see towards $16.90 as a base. And to wrap up with oil, well, we are looking towards that $58 resistance at the moment, but not broken it. At the moment, we're claiming the highs around 58.02. Now, in the next 24 hours, if we have cleared this level, then I'm looking towards $62 as a target. So very bullish. But at the moment, it is questionable whether we can sustain due to the fact that the technicals aren't fully supportive. And I would like to see a little bit more of an increase in the MACD to support this rally. Otherwise, we will get a pullback towards $56.30.40 a barrel. So that wraps up today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead.